What?
Is the torch over there, Liam?
I think so. I don't see it. I don't see it. Didn't you have it a few days ago? You gotta come out here, that's why.
Turn around, Riley, if you want to see it. Pick one off of there.
What?
I want to. It's gonna be blue. Yay, blue!
Okay, I'm going over here, guys. Happy New Year's Day! Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's. 3, 2, 1. Then I hide under a roof. Do you hear it falling?
Don't do that one yet.
Why?
I'm gonna go in and go to the bathroom and I want to see it.
Well, you have to go quickly then. I'm going to do another one though. Okay?
Can you do green?
I don't really.
Because I'm recording for fans and Ryder. My best friend. Well, you probably don't know who Ryder is. Because he's my best friend. You know Ryder is. I'm shiver.